In process manufacturing, chemical procedures are used to convert raw materials into products that are either sold directly to customers or used by intermediate manufacturers to create consumer products. Similar to preparing food, process manufacturing uses different chemical recipes to create different products. In this example, rubber is an intermediate product used to create consumer products such as tires, shoes, and chairs. What makes a quality product? This chair is assembled from many different parts. The process and materials used determine the quality and functionality of each part. For example, this part requires a special kind of rubber with the right elasticity, hardness, color, and lack of contaminants. Consequently, the process manufacturer must supply a batch of rubber that is a specific color, absent of solvent, and without particle contamination. Otherwise, the batch cannot be used and will be rejected. Why is process manufacturing difficult? Every manufacturing process requires specific ingredients combined with a specific process recipe where the equipment and processes work together in order to produce quality results. All the elements used in a product recipe, such as the amounts of different raw materials, timing, and execution of the process, are important. Because each product has stringent requirements for quality, yield, and time to produce, variations in the execution of the recipe may result in unacceptable batches. Although the equipment and processes can be controlled, process manufacturing is susceptible to outside and often uncontrollable variability, such as raw material variations or weather changes that can affect batch results. Countering such variability by adjusting the process recipe parameters is the key to producing an acceptable batch every time. But with so many variable interacting elements, it may be at best a time-consuming and costly process, and at worst, impossible to decipher the extremely interrelated issues and then make the appropriate recipe adjustments. What does AspenProMV do? AspenProMV provides insight into all the variability issues that plague process manufacturing and guidance for process engineers, control engineers, and operators to make appropriate process adjustments. By examining the archived history of a particular manufacturing process, AspenProMV connects a multitude of different conditions, relationships, and variability over time that lead to different product outcomes. To the human eye, this information may look like a chaotic tangle of data where everything moves at once, but AspenProMV's proprietary software wizard analyzes the data, then compiles it into a comprehensive operating space that explains the true sources of variation and is easy to explore and understand. In this example, the closer the process recipe conditions are to the center of the operating space, the better the quality of the product. As variability affects the process, the intermediate rubber quality changes, shown by movement away from the center. As an example, the product produced at this time was too brittle, at this time too soft, and at this time, the rubber was contaminated with particulates. AspenProMV analyzes each historical record of diverse process runs and provides key information unique to each product result, with the specific combination of complex changes needed to move from a poor to a good product. Because of this guidance, the engineer or operator can now make and time precise changes to the appropriate adjustable parameters to ensure the product hits the target quality, yield, and time to produce. AspenProMV not only works with historical data to uncover variability issues, it also works in real time with live monitoring. By detecting subtle shifts in the types of variability that can upset the process, leading to poor quality products, AspenProMV delivers far earlier warnings than conventional process monitoring approaches. The insight of AspenProMV's historical analysis, combined with contextual process knowledge, provides the diagnosis needed for the process engineer or operator to understand and remedy the root cause before it threatens serious disruption to the product outcome. And because AspenProMV has extensive capabilities that can uncover and optimize varying data patterns, it can assist with R&D, improve upon existing products, or assist with the development of new products with potential to increase market share and revenue. Attain higher product quality, yield, and less time to produce when you unlock the full potential of your manufacturing process with AspenProMV. For more information about AspenProMV, contact AspenTech today.